Travelers at DIA have a new option today. That is if they have 4 legs.
A little luxury for your 4 legs. The airport is opening a pet resort today called Paradise for Paws, a luxury boarding facility for dogs and cats. So this has more than 25,000 square feet of space. It's all dedicated to 24-hour service, so they call it a resort. It includes large dog suites that overlook expansive play areas, maybe the runway in some spots. They have indoor grass, soft rubber flooring, bone-shaped splashing pool.
Oh my goodness.
So we were curious about the price. So $27 to $100 a day, depending on how luxurious you'd like it to be per dog.
If you want the suite, it's $100.
Yes. There are 24-hour webcams so families can check in on their pets while they travel too. So it's a busy travel time. A lot of people have difficult finding somebody to take care of their animals while they're gone, and their animals mean a lot. So
this is the answer, maybe, for some.
Pay for parking and pay for your pets and budget it all in.
$100 a day, though. That's on the high end, but that's steep.
Will you train them for me for
I know,
$100
right?
a day?
Do something more. I don't know. All right.